Hi, welcome back to our English class. I know that all of you are happy in this happy new year. So, I hope that you have all taken your new year vows. That is, in this new year, not like the last year or the previous year, I will study very hard and I am going to score good marks. For those who have taken that, a very big congratulations and a small prayer that it has to be continued throughout the year. Not that only in January or maybe first 2 weeks you follow it strictly and later from the third week you just leave it. Okay, so you have to follow it. And for those who have not taken any new year vow, so this at least the small thing which you have to do as students, you can take it as your new year promise. Okay, with this small thought, let's begin today's class. One Friday morning, page number 97. Okay, now one Friday morning is a lesson which is written by Langston Hughes. He was an American poet, and here in this lesson, one Friday morning, he says that how the Americans may show differences between the white and the black. Okay, you know, in America still maybe not too much, but still there is something called as racism. They don't like the black people. They feel that America belongs only to the white men. Okay, but which is actually not wrong. All human beings, whichever part of the world any human being is, all human beings have the equal right to live in this world, wherever they are. Maybe India, maybe it's America, maybe it's Russia, wherever. Okay, because everybody has the same blood in their body. If you cut a white man, blood comes out, and if it's a black man, blood itself comes out. Okay, so with this thought, we start with this lesson, One Friday Morning. One Friday Morning, written by Langston Hughes, was an American poet, novelist and playwright. Hughes' writing was based on his own experience, and he was one of the first African Americans to be successful as a writer. So, Nancy Lee Johnson is an African whose family has moved to America from Africa many years ago. In school, encouraged by her art teacher, Miss Dietrich, Nancy Lee excels at drawing. One of her best pictures has been entered in a contest, and everyone expects her to win. So does she win the well-known Artist Club Award? Read on to find out. So what happened? Nancy Lee Johnson is a small girl who is an African. So that means she is a black person, colored. Okay, she is a colored person. So she is an African whose family has moved to America from Africa many years ago. So she was basically a person from Africa, but then her family has moved to America. Her family has shifted from Africa to America lot of years back. Okay. In school, encouraged by her art teacher, Miss Dietrich. See, Miss Dietrich, she is her art teacher, and she tells Nancy to draw pictures, draw good pictures. Nancy is also good at drawing, and encouraged by this teacher, she joins a competition. And what happened to her surprise? Even she wins the award. That's the famous Artist Club Award. And then we'll see what happens after that. Okay. One wet, rainy April afternoon, Miss O'Shea, the vice principal, sent for Nancy Lee. Sent for means asked her to come. Okay, asked her to come so as to meet her. One wet, rainy April afternoon, Miss O'Shea, the vice principal, sent for Nancy Lee, asked Nancy Lee to come. Soon, Nancy Lee knocked on Miss O'Shea's door. Knocked means, you know, ask permission, okay, to give, like when you give to with that sound when you make at the door, okay. So to get in, to ask for permission. Soon Nancy Lee knocked on Miss O'Shea's door. The familiar voice, the familiar means well known, recognized, well recognized voice. The familiar voice said, "Come in." "Sit down, Nancy Lee," said Miss O'Shea. "I have something to tell you." So she's telling, "Oh, you know, hi, sit down, please sit down. I have something really to tell you." Nancy Lee sat down. So Nancy Lee sits down. Miss O'Shea welcomes her in, "Get in," and she asks her to sit. "You have been an excellent student." So you have been an excellent student means you have been simply a superb student, a very good student. Okay. Nancy, "As I'm sure you know," began Miss O'Shea. At that point, there was a light knock on the door. Okay, so at that point, there was a knock on the door. Miss O'Shea called out, "Come in," and Miss Dietrich entered. "May I be part of this too?" she asked, tall and smiling. So she was very happy. Now see, when we teachers feel very happy when your students score good marks. Not even a single teacher likes his or her student getting less marks. Okay. Now not by truthful means, okay, that you getting good marks. Whenever a student of ours gets full in our subject or gets maybe 38 or 39 marks out of 40, we feel really very happy. We feel that student or that particular girl or boy, whoever it is, has studied really very hard to achieve that success. Okay, so I hope that all of you who are listening to me, my dear students, you will make me proud by getting good marks in your exams. Okay. May I be part of this too? She asked, tall and smiling. Of course, Miss O'Shea said. I was just telling Nancy Lee what we thought of her, but I haven't yet given her the news. Perhaps, Miss Dietrich, you'd like to tell her yourself. So he's telling, oh, you know, I was just telling that how proud we are as teachers, okay, to have you as a student. But, you know, I have just, till now I have not given the news. You can tell it for yourself. Miss Dietrich was always direct. Nancy Lee, she said, your picture has won the Artist Club Award. And Sina was always direct, means she always spoke directly. She always told what was to be said, not that she told a lot of things and then later after that she told what she wanted to tell. She told her what was there in her mind. She always spoke what was there in her mind honestly and clearly. So, honestly and clearly she spoke what she wanted to tell. Nancy Lee, she said, your picture has won the Artist Club Award. So, she's saying that, oh Nancy Lee, you're I'm so happy to announce to you that your picture has won the award. The slender brown girl's eyes widened and her heart jumped. Slender means thin and delicate. Slender is thin, okay. The slender brown girl's eyes widened. So the slender brown girl's eyes widened and her heart jumped. She tried to smile, but instead tears came into her eyes. Dear Nancy Lee, Miss O'Shea said, we are so happy for you. The elderly white woman shook her hand warmly while Miss Dietrich beamed with pride. Beamed with pride means she smiled and she was so happy that Nancy Lee had done so very well in her picture, okay, in her drawing. So, her artistic skills was so very good. So, that is what here Miss Dietrich feels very happy for her. And she says that, oh dear Nancy Lee, we are so very happy for you. You know, you have made us feel so proud. You have won this award for the school. So beamed with pride means smiled with pleasure, for she was happy that Nancy Lee had done so well. Miss O'Shea had called Nancy Lee to the office both to prepare her and warn her in making her acceptance speech. The vice principal wanted Nancy Lee to be calm and prepared. So Nancy Lee was asked to think about what she would say at the Friday morning assembly hour when the announcement would be made. Nancy Lee promised the vice principal to think calmly about what she would say. So the principal calls Nancy Lee and tells Nancy Lee that, oh my dear little girl, you're supposed to prepare a speech. Okay, and on Friday morning's assembly hour, I will announce that you have got the speech. So once when you come and receive your award, you're supposed to tell a speech. Now see, what's an acceptance speech? A speech made to thank people and show how grateful you are for being given an award or honor and so on. So when you feel that, that's a speech made when you feel that when you're given an award, when you get an award, the speech which you make at that ceremony. Soon Friday morning came. The night before Nancy Lee had gone to bed, thinking about the next day, her short speech was ready and she went over it in her mind. She went over it in her mind means she learned it so that she could repeat it to herself. She went over it in her mind means she learned it. So see, when we as students, when we have to stage a performance for our assembly, the previous day we also are tensed, yes, as to what is going to happen. Oh my God, next day is my class's assembly and what am I going to tell? Yes, all of us feel scared. So similarly, this Nancy Lee was also feeling scared. So she just revised as to what she was supposed to tell during that assembly. Soon Friday morning came. The night before, Nancy Lee had gone to bed thinking about the next day. Her short speech was ready and she went over it in her mind. Went over it in her mind means she studied it again, once again. She learned it so that she could repeat it to herself. Judges and members, when the president of the artist club presented her with the award, she planned to say, judges and members of the artist club, I want to thank you for this award. It means so much to me. The colored people of the city are sometimes discouraged. The colored people means the black people, the Africans. Okay, so colored describes a person who does not have white skin. The term is usually not one of respect and is no longer accepted as a way of describing non-white people. So nowadays it is not used anymore. It is not used anymore. They don't use this colored and non-colored. Okay. I accept this award not for myself alone but for my race. We believe in America. We believe in its opportunities and fairness. So she's telling that, Nancy Lee is telling that we really believe in America. We are having full hope and all faith in America. America will never deceive us. So we believe in America, we believe in its opportunities and fairness. Fairness as in the way of treating everyone equally. Okay. A situation in which people are treated in the same or equally in spite of the difference in race, color of the skin and so on. I thank Miss Dietrich and the teachers who gave me the knowledge and training to win this award. When I came to the school a few years ago, you received me well. You have given me a chance and helped me along the road I wanted to follow. Thus, Nancy Lee went to sleep dreaming of a wonderful tomorrow. So she makes a speech thanking America for giving her the opportunity to showcase her talents, thanking America for being equal to the black and even the white. Okay, so and she says that this award I don't really expect only for myself, but it's for the whole race. Whole of my race, I accept this award. So, see, usually in America in the olden days, it was told that only, I told you at the beginning of the class, only white people belonged to America, and then they really didn't like the black people coming near them. Now, in our country also, before the independence, we also had this caste system. Brahmins and other castes were considered as a higher caste, and they were only people who were sent to school or to learn, okay, in a school, whereas people of lower castes were not allowed to enter in a school, and even Brahmins and other lower caste people were not even able to sit equally even in a meeting or when everybody is there in a marriage. Okay, so first people of higher caste were served and then later, but today if you see, situations have changed so drastically that today we all believe that we all are human beings and nobody is discriminated on basis of caste, creed or color, that you are black, I am white, she is brown. No, okay, everybody, be it black or be it white, be it any other color, all men are treated equally. Equality is there. Okay. At school on Friday morning, Nancy Lee was asked to see Miss O'Shea in her office again. Soon after, Nancy Lee knocked at Miss O'Shea's door. "Come in," came Miss O'Shea's voice. So she says, "Okay, come in." The vice principal stood at her desk. There was no one else in the room. So the vice principal is standing at the desk and there is nobody in the room. Okay. So till here what happens? We know that Nancy Lee has got the award. She is very happy. She is very excited to understand that she is being given this award. She feels very proud of America. Why does she feel proud of America? It's because she knows and she understands that it's very important for her survival, and she feels that America has been so kind to her, not only to her but all of her men, very kind to her and all of her men, that because America has given her this opportunity to perform and to get success, and then even they have given her the most well-known award, that's the Artist Club Award. For that, for all of this, she is very thankful to her. And then the next day morning, it's Friday, she gets in Miss O'Shea's chamber. Okay, so we stop here. In the next class, we will continue this. Okay, till that, bye-bye. Thank you.